How to find hotspot password on iPhone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your hotspot password on your iPhone, whether you're sharing your data with friends or need to connect another device. This is a must-know trick, so let's dive right in. First things first, open your settings app on your phone. This is where all the important network settings live. Now scroll down and tap on personal hotspot. Now if you cannot tap on it, that's because your cellular data is off. Simply turn on your cellular data and open personal hotspot. Here in the settings of personal hotspot, you can find an option that says Wi-Fi password. Simply tap on it. And here, as you can see, you can view the password. Now, if you want to change the password, you can simply delete the existing password and you can simply choose whatever you want to put. Now simply click on done, and here as you can see your Wi-Fi password, you can simply turn this toggle on whether you want to simply allow others to join or not. And when you try to join from another device, you just need to simply tap on this your Wi-Fi and simply tap on your Wi-Fi password, that is ha 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 ha, and that's it. That's how you simply find your iPhone hotspot password, and you are now ready to share your connection with others.